Hello everyone and a massive welcome to IELTS 7+. Many students find that studying for the IELTS test can be really frustrating and difficult. I completely understand why that is, and that's why I made this course. I should probably introduce myself. My name is David. Apologies for the picture, that is me. I'm a UK qualified teacher with a postgraduate degree in education and I'm Cambridge certified to teach English. I teach thousands of students across the globe how to beat the IELTS test, and I want to teach you too. So, other than me, what are you going to get in this course? Well, you're going to be able to get your highest band score possible, whether that's a band score of 6, 7 or even higher. You'll get video lessons for all sections of the IELTS test. That's writing task 1 and 2, speaking, listening and reading. You'll get quizzes, assignments and practice exercises that will give you the skills to do really well in the IELTS test. I'm going to show you some top strategies for scoring really high and impressing the IELTS examiner. And inside IELTS 7+, there's an active learning community and you can contact me and the other students at any point to ask questions. So that's a quick run over the top features in this course, but who should be taking IELTS 7+? Well, anyone willing to work really hard to get their best IELTS score possible. And I know that together you can really achieve whatever band score you want. I'm really excited that you've decided to check this course out, and there's other videos that you can look through to see if this course is right for you. I look forward to seeing you in IELTS 7+.